Let's look at organizing data with matrices. So first, let's go over what a matrix is. So a matrix is just really an array of data. So if we look at this table, we have 3 different students and 2 different tests and their associated grades. A matrix would just take this data and arrange it like this. So it would end up with the same exact information: 85, 91, 74, 81, 93, 86 inside this matrix like so. Okay, so let's go over some basics about this. If we look at this, we see that we have 3 rows. So these are rows. And we also have, in this case, 2 columns. Now, when we talk about a matrix, we normally talk about the dimensions of it when we analyze it. So the dimensions are given by the number of rows by the number of columns. So this matrix would be a 3 by 2 matrix, 3 rows by 2 columns. Now let's look at this data again. Each piece of information in here is called an element. And we could identify the element based on the row and column it's in. So let's say that this is row 1, this is row 2, this is row 3. This would be column 1, this is column 2. So if this matrix is matrix A, then this element here in row 1, column 1 is A1, 1. This element in row 2, column 1 is A2, 1, and that's going to be 91. And we also want to put commas here. This way we don't think this is A11, it's A11. And likewise, this is going to be A31. That's 74. If you look at this position, it's still row 1. Now it's column 2, so A, column 2, sorry, row 1, column 2. So 1, comma 2 is 81. Then row 2, column 2, so A2, comma 2 is 93. And A3, comma 2 is 86.